I said don't touch it.
This key has always been mine. This can't be. It says I was promised to someone. This is impossible.
What name did you see?
Yours. You never married me because you loved me.